Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Claude app notifications when a long response finishes for or the other apps alerts? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. Go to your phone settings, scroll down to the list of apps and then find Claude. Next, tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap on it to turn it green. Also, check the alerts tab below and make sure it is set to banners or alerts, not none, since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Scroll back to the top of your settings and tap focus or search for it as well. Go through each focus mode you use sleep, do not disturb, personal, and make sure that Claude is in silence under each one. This is especially useful when you send Claude a long task and want to know the moment it's finished without having to keep check manually. So all you've got to do is go to your settings app, then go to Claude, allow notifications on, set style to banners, focus mode checked, Claude alerts will come through, and that's it. Subscribe.